Dr. Gupta, I'd like to come to you first. Cases have tripled over the last weeks in Europe. UK alone has over 1,200 cases. Now, the World Health Organization on Friday warned that an urgent action is needed to contain the spread. In Asia, the situation is not as alarming as Europe, but with increasing post-COVID tourism around the world, the risk factors are high. Should this be a matter of grave concern for Asia? And does India need to up its guard?
Thank you so much. You are absolutely correct. Already WHO have described or declared that it is an evolving health threat rather than a public health emergency. They told us that it is an evolving health threat. And first case was found on 6th of May in London. And within these 2 months only, the cases are more than 6,500 across the world. And out of them, besides this, around 200, there are suspected cases also. Even the death rate is around 1 to 3%. Even one person has died, confirmed death from this. It already happened. And we all know that the disease is transmitted through the man-to-man sex. Most patients, it is noticed, it is seen that it can be transmitted to a close contact, even children, pregnant ladies, and can give complications in them also. Therefore, not in West Africa, it was definitely in West Africa, it is endemic disease. From there, it has traveled to Europe, now in US also, and Asian countries, definitely they are less affected, but it can be one of the most important, most deadly threat to this Asian population, especially to India also, because we have a high population of 1.35 billion. So I think we have to take care of this. We have to control spread it among Indians also.
Right. We'll definitely discuss what